So if you have to swap out the hoop and you need to center it, it's actually really easy to do. So the every single one of these happy hoops has a little index point right here. So what I would do is, doesn't matter whichever one you use, can even be the big one because see that there is a dot. It's backwards. Um, there is a dot right there. It's a little counterintuitive, but it's there. But you can see on this 18, it's right there as well. So it doesn't matter. But what we're going to do is we're going to go under this O key, and sorry, the N key, wrong one. And we're going to go to frame, select, and we're going to choose round. And each of these hoops has a little number on it. So this is PT 15. So that'll be number 3, the 50 or 150. And it's going to say caution move needle. So because it's on needle 4, it has to go to needle 1. So we're going to hit enter. You're going to see it'll track over. And now we're going to use our frame move keys. And you can hold this one to speed it up. And it doesn't have to be super precise, but the more precise you are, the more accurate it's going to be. So right there is my spot. And then now what I could do is I could hit this button, and you'll see it moved it over, and now it is dead center. So now my design, when I run it, it will place it right there.